Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. First, I need one like in this video. Please support me. Imagine hitting the road in pure luxury. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels, packed with futuristic tech, high-end comfort, and unmatched performance. This motorhome redefines travel. Mercedes has outdone itself with a bold and modern design. The sleek front grille, adaptive LED headlights, and streamlined shape not only look stunning, but also enhance fuel efficiency. Built on a reinforced chassis, this motorhome promises stability and durability for long journeys. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure elegance, from high-quality leather seats to ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Every detail screams luxury. The spacious lounge area is perfect for relaxing, while the state-of-the-art cockpit features a massive touchscreen display, AI-assisted driving, and an advanced navigation system. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a smart home on wheels. Control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a single touch or voice command. The AI-driven system even learns your preferences, making every trip more comfortable and personalized. Cooking on the road has never been this easy. The fully equipped kitchen includes a high-tech induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a convection oven. Whether you're making a quick snack or a full-course meal, you have everything you need at your fingertips. At the end of the day, relax in a cozy king-sized bed with memory foam. The built-in entertainment system lets you unwind with your favorite shows. And don't worry about cramped bathrooms. This motorhome features a spacious spa-like shower and modern vanity for a first-class experience. Under the hood, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine ensures a smooth and steady ride. Mercedes' advanced safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make driving effortless, whether on highways or winding mountain roads. This motorhome keeps you safe and in control. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. With cutting-edge technology, top-tier luxury, and unmatched performance, it's built for those who crave adventure, without compromising comfort. If you're ready to experience the future of travel, this might just be your ultimate road companion. Like this review, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more amazing auto content, and let us know, where would you take this luxury motorhome first? See you in the next one.